Heading up the lookout walk at Cape Hillsborough, Queensland, Australia, with my two grandsons. I'm Kev. That's my grandsons, Jai and Jaden.
Thanks.
Off we go. It's a steep track, some steps, a clearly marked track. Leaves the beach area in sort of semi-rainforest and goes up to a lookout with magnificent views. Getting in some steep country now. And boys are setting a pace. And a cave over here. Rest point. Cave in the rhyolite. Yeah. Kookaburra's calling out to us. Yeah. Ferns hanging onto the cliff face up there.
Yeah. It's a big spider web.
This is interesting. Someone's done a modern day hand mark. Oh, looks like the boys are going to set the pace and we're off again. Not spring chicken anymore. I better keep up. Another cave, Jai.
Yep. Right up there. Looks bigger.
Yeah, it does look bigger.
Scarier.
And again, another cave in the rhyolite. Can't imagine that millions of tons of lava flowing. I love that everything's polished by thousands of shoes. Having a blow, a rest. Oh, he's up and away again. Better keep up, old man. The grandsons are taller than me, both of them. Don't know what happened to me. Oh, this is my country, downhill. Baby pines there, grass trees. Nice country. This looks promising. Some views. We here, boys? Oh, look at that. Wedge Island, the causeway. Cape Hillsborough Beach down there. The old volcano. Not sure if you can pick up on the camera the layering. The old volcano goes that way. Researchers say the volcano's shape used to be out this way. And these are only the western flanks. Heading down now, folks. Well worth it if you're in the area. Go up to the lookout in Cape Hillsborough. Yeah, we went from there just to the Twin Beach lookout and looked out over the islands, but there's a lot more, and then one at the other end of the beach. Plenty to do for the bushwalkers here. Okay folks, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Share the video and make a comment. Jaden and Jai signing out. Kev signing out.